আচ্ছা স্যার একটা কথা বলি, ওই বাবু উনি তো কোনো রেসপন্স করছেন না। উনি ওই যারা যারা কোভিড ট্রিটমেন্ট করেছে তাদের নাম এবং ফোন নাম্বার চেয়েছিলেন আমার কাছে, তো আমি নামগুলো দিতে পারবো, ফোন নাম্বারগুলি এইভাবেই এই মিটিং চলাকালীনই ওনাকে নিতে হবে
না। এখানে এই যে চ্যাট বক্স আছে, এখানে যা যা আছে এখানে চ্যাট বক্সে লিখে দিই, আমি এখান থেকে কপি করে দেবো, কোনো অসুবিধা কিছু নেই।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, তাহলে তোমরা শুনে নাও। রশিদ, তোর নাম
ইংরেজিতে
আর ফোন নাম্বারটা। আজম, তোমার নাম ফোন নাম্বার। মনির, তোমার নাম ফোন নাম্বার। মাসুদ, তোমার নাম ফোন নাম্বার। শহীদুল, তোমার নাম ফোন নাম্বার, এগুলো চ্যাট বক্সে লিখে দাও।
না, এবং ডিটেলটা তো ওরকম ভাবে দিতে হবে না, নালে কাজ
না, ডিটেলস বাবু ও অমিত বাবু ওর সাথে যোগাযোগ করে নেবে।
আচ্ছা,
ওকে, today let us start today's session. So today's session first is the harmful effect of arsenic while used as preventive according to Ayush Mantrak. Next is the effective treatment of go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system for prevention as well as treating different type of COVID-19 cases. Next one is there any question regarding this? After this, what is the difference between classical homeopathy with real homeopathy? The next part and last part. So now I am going to start arsenic album 30 has created bad effect, harmful effect on the human being, not everybody. What I have learned from different physicians, I can tell only this part. And this arsenic has only the preventive part. During this treatment for prevention, after taking arsenicum album, there is different harmful effect is observed among them who has taken arsenicum album according or maintaining the rules of Ayush Mantrak. So in this regard, I can tell that this type of medicine, which is highly poisonous, but of course it is very much minute doses it is given. Again, it is observed during homeopathic medicine proving by Master Samuel Hahnemann. After taking any medicine without increased potency, without changing its power, it creates the proving symptom in the prover. I think there is so many idiosyncratic individuals. If those person, that idiosyncratic person, that is very much sensitive, highly sensitive person, if they have taken the minute dose of arsenic album, so many harmful effects are observed among them, as because the individual are idiosyncratic. But it is a matter to be noted that when Ayush Mantrak announced arsenicum album to be used for prevention, there is no any instruction regarding idiosyncratic individual. Idiosyncratic individual, for layman, it is highly sensitive person. Any medicine, if it is not indicated homeopathically, must create harmful situation, harmful effect. So I think that Ayush Mantak should be cautious regarding giving the instruction. Commonly, arsenic album 30 have to take at this and this dose, this and this days interval, but they have done nothing. That is why general people have to suffer with this arsenicum album. Not everybody. I have mentioned this. Why not everybody? Why few persons? Everybody is not idiosyncratic individual. That is why. But there is no instruction who should take, who should not. Okay, leave it these topics. In case of Carbovez also, it may happen. I must tell you that those individual is of pathophilosophically indicated of different medicine like Tuja, like Medo, like Siblinum, like Hydropovinum, all these things, where there is the indication of pathophilosophical prescription of different drugs, different medicine, what I have told, they must react. That is, the adverse effect must be observed among them. So be cautious. If it is seen that somebody is telling some uncomfortable feeling, regarding uncomfortable feeling after taking Carbovez of any potency, then you must sure that that very patient is of having pathophilosophical indication. So do accordingly. Find out which medicine that very individual is having indication of pathophilosophical which medicine. Again I am telling, it may be of Hydropovinum, it may be of Thuja occidentalis, it may be of Medorinum, it may be of Hydropovinum, it may be of Sorinum also. So don't be worried. If any physician can see the adverse effect in the individual after taking Carbovez as preventive medicine, everybody should alert regarding this point. Please note it down. Again I am telling, the person is of having pathophilosophical indication of different 4 drugs, Hydropovinum, Syphilinum, Thuja, Medorinum, even Sorinum, 5 drugs. That time you should consider the individual which medicine is indicated in him or her as pathophilosophical. Those who are not my student, they are not familiar with this very term, pathophilosophical. But I have mentioned it so many times, and I again also, and that previous days, the 14 pages, a lecture sheet, if you follow this strictly, then you will understand what is pathophysiological prescription. In previous lecture, I have mentioned regarding 3 medicine. One is Soja, another is Medurinum, another is Hydrophobinum. If there is that very pathological indication is observed in any individual, you must be sure that after carbobase there may be some adverse effect. But again I can tell, if you know that somebody may show the adverse symptom after taking carbobase, then also you must start with carbobase CM. But be prepared, be cautious for the next medicine for pathophysiological indication, that is pathological prescription. When you give someone the carbobase CM, you must be cautious for this. If this individual shows any adverse sign and symptoms and feelings, you have to prescribe, you have to administration that very medicine for what you are prepared. So proper case taking is needed always. If there is any side effect, that is adverse effect or not. So this part I have never mentioned in this international seminar. So I think everybody is clear. Finally, I again tell this very point. Very few persons may show adverse sign and symptom and lack of sense of well-being after taking carbobase CM or any potency as preventive for COVID-19. If it is observed, if it may observe or not, you should be cautious, you should be alert regarding that very adverse situation. You must think, if this very patient, this very individual may show adverse sign and symptom, then what the physician should do? If you are ready, then no problem. But you should always start with carbobase CM. Either the indication, there is indication of pathophysiologically or not. It may be indicated, may not be indicated. If it is indicated, then also you must start with carbobase CM. Because post-trauma syndrome, the important thing is, as we are using carbobase CM as preventive, also as well as curative. But during preventive treatment, if any physician may observe any adverse sign and symptom or lack of sense of well-being, every individual is having pathophilosophically indicated situation. Means those persons are having pathophilosophical indication. Among them, sometimes they may produce adverse signs and symptoms after taking Carbovis. Is it clear? Again, I am trying to clear as because it is very important point. All the individuals are not of same category. During Arsenicum album, what I have discussed, if you are not clear regarding my speech for technical problem, that is why I am telling. Those person has taken Arsenicum album 30, maintaining the instruction given by Ayush Mantrak. Some of them showed very harmful effect after taking Arsenicum album, as because in homeopathic literature it is mentioned that very few persons are idiosyncratic. Those who are idiosyncratic means in layman's language, hypersensitive, the most hypersensitive. So those persons are idiosyncratic, that is most hypersensitive. They must show the adverse sign and symptom after Arsenicum album 30. But this point should be noted that Ayush Mantrak never mentioned this cautious saying. In a similar way, in case of prevention done by Carbovis higher potency, every physician should be alert that in this case the situation is different. Those individuals, they are not patient, they are not idiosyncratic individual, but among them they are having the pathophilosophical indication of one of the 5 medicines. That 5 medicines are Hydrophobinum, Syphilinum, Thuja occidentalis, Medorinum, Sorinum. Previously I have mentioned for using Arsenicum album 30, following the norms given by Ayush Mantrak, not everybody, very few persons have shown very adverse situation, very critical condition, very painful symptom, as because according to homeopathic literature, there are few persons of idiosyncratic individual. Those idiosyncratic individual always show the adverse sign and symptom after any medicine which is not similimum to that very individual. Similar, I have mentioned it. Not similar, similimum. Any similar medicine has produced adverse effect in idiosyncratic individual. Until and unless the medicine is similimum, means most similar. Until and unless the medicine is similimum for those idiosyncratic individual, they must show the adverse sign and symptom which was not mentioned by the Ayush Mantrak. Okay, this part is over. Next, my part, the part of real homeopathic therapeutic system is most of the per individual of the world, they are of general category. For them, for prevention as well as treatment, we must start with pathological prescription and end with philosophical prescription. But there are many persons, they are having pathophilosophical indication of one of the 6 medicines. Those 6 medicines are hydrophobinum, syphilinum, Thuja occidentalis, medurinum, sorinum, and droserum. If there is pathophysical indication of any of the 6 medicines, there may be adverse situation of adverse situation after giving carbovase and carbamylase of any potency. That is why I must caution you, alert you that before giving carbovase of any potency for prevention, every physician should be very alert regarding the ABC procedure of case taking. If it is seen that that very individual is having pathophilosophical indication of one of the 6 drugs, then we must start with carbovase, CM or any potency. And if we see within few minutes there is some adverse condition, rather better to tell lack of uncomfortable feeling, lack of sense of well-being, we must apply the next medicine which is of pathophilosophically indicated. And if you know very well regarding this pathophysical prescription, you must be astonished. So swift, so shortly, so sharply, the effect of the medicine, which is pathophilosophy. So this is in English, this portion. I think you must clear with this very pathophysical prescription. Now, I mentioned it, very little part, last class regarding Thuja, medurinum and hydrophobinum. The DD, differential diagnostic prescription. When I must mention today also, as because after mentioning little, I must go to another topics. Another topic is pathophysical indicator, other drugs. So I must repeat the previous class. Which one? Thuja, medullinaum and hydropovinum. These three drugs have few common character and some differentiating character. I must differentiate hydropovinum with antipsychotic medicine, Thuja and medullinaum. First, what we mentioned, what I want to say, you please note it down. You please try to write something, as because if you listen as well as you must write very little, that thing you must understand very clearly. As because this is very complicated part of real homeopathy, and this is most effective part of real homeopathy. So you please be careful regarding today's session.